Hey, let them out, buddy.
Oh God, what the heck?
Good morning.
You get that.
Yeah, I'll get it. Okay, stand back. Good morning. It's okay, we're not going to get you. Hey? Well, hello. How are you? Oh, yes, right. Oh, I see. Is that right, eh? You guys want to head to the pond? Oh, you clumsy little guy. Look at those fools. Come on, guys. Luna's losing her mind out there because she can't get in. Are you a goose? Oh, Savannah, you weirdo. Come on, you crazy old geese and ducks. Luna, get lost. Get lost, Luna. Such a pain in the butt. Oh my goodness, that's a humongous dandelion. Come on, guys, you gonna go for a swim in the pond? They're growing like bad weeds again. Holy Lord. Well, good morning. This is the very friendly Khaki Campbell. Hi, buddy. Hey, it's because we cuddled you so much when you were a baby. Hey, Mommy spoiled you. Gonna go for a swim, guys? Oh my goodness, so much fun and excitement. Hey, geese, what are you doing? No, they're not ready for a swim yet. The ducks are, though. Hey, it's okay, guys. Hello. Come on. So cute. Hey, guys.